Shete, a traveler and Curacao expert. Let me show you around.
We are here at Shete Boka National Park, which literally translates to the 7 Mouths National Park. The 7 Mouths are really 7 inlets where the rough northern sea of the island smashes against rocks to form beautiful wave formation. Is where you find the National Bridge, as you can see it over there.
Boca is the most popular of them all. When the sea is calm, you can go into its underwater cave to get a closer look at the waves. Driving is the fastest way to see the park, just not the easiest. Most of the roads are pretty rough, but I've seen even the smallest cars go through. Hiking the whole park is the other option. If that's your choice, I suggest bringing plenty of water and sun protection. If you're going by car, a little hike will take you to Boca, where the calmest Boca awaits.
By far my favorite of the Bocas. The display that the waves make me just so happy.
Those are the 4 inlets found inside of the Shete Boka National Park. The other 3 are located outside of the park. Now I want to hear from you. Which Boca excites you the most? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. More videos coming soon.